Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you my maths portfolio of class 10th and it is on the topic of the term 1 syllabus, maths term 1 syllabus. So if you like it, you can also make like this. So let's get started. So this is the cover page I have made and you can also make like this. Then it's my name, standard, roll number, school and subject. You can also include your subject teacher. Now it is an acknowledgement. It is the index, like chapter number 1, real numbers, from page number 1 to 8. I have complete my chapter 1 within 1 to 8 page number. Second chapter polynomial, then linear equation in 2 variables, then chapter 6 triangles, and so on. Now it is the cover page of chapter number 1, real number. Introduction to real numbers. Then as you can see, it is whole the definition, natural numbers, and then it is whole number, integers, fraction, rational numbers. Then here comes the heading, irrational numbers, as you can see. Now next is, as you can see, it is fractions, terminating, non-terminating, as you can see. Then how to know whether it is terminating, non-terminating? So we can see that it is 2 into 5. Now here comes the chapter number 2, polynomial. It's my favorite chapter. So it is the cover page. You can also be more creative. And it's polynomials. Poly means many, nomial means terms. It is the types of polynomial on the basis of terms, on the basis of degree. Now on the basis of terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then on the basis of degree. In the last page we have seen on the basis of terms. In the previous page it was zeros of the polynomials and it is the introduction to parabola. I have also made the graph and I have shown here the case 1, the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c has no zero in this case. So I have also made the graph and I have also sticked it. So you can also do like this. Now it's the case 2 and this is case 3. And it is the case 4. Now it's the question, find the number of zeros of p of x in this case. So it's the graph and and we have to find the number of zeros. Factorization of quadratic polynomials by splitting the middle term, okay, and then use the the algebraic identities. We can also use that as we have studied already. And then here comes the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Now is the third chapter, linear equation in two variables. So this is the cover page. It is the substitution method, and then in this page it's elimination method. Then it's a sum, it's a problem sum, and then chapter number 6, triangles. It's the cover page of chapter number 6, and then introduction to triangles. It is the theorem, basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem. I hope you can see it. Congruent figures, similar figures, similarity, criteria of triangles, as you can see it. And it's the theorem page, the page that I have shown in the previous minute. Pythagoras, converse of Pythagoras. Then here comes the chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Introduction to coordinate geometry. Distance formula. Section formula. You can take problem sums also. You can take example like find the coordinates of a point which divides the join of 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio of 3:1. So we can also show the sum, and also we can show in some creative way of understanding the section formula. Likewise, I said it's a problem sum, and it's now trigonometry. Some identities I have jotted down, as you can see the cover page. Introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric ratios, sine, theta, opposite upon hypotenuse, and so on. Then it's a problem sum in triangle ABC. B is a 90 degree and AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter. Find sin A cos A, sin C cos C. So it's a problem sum. Points to remember. And then the most important, the tables. Let me show you. See, it's the values of some special angles. As you can see the table. So we have took some examples. It's identities, trigonometric identities, and then it's area related to circle. Chapter number 12. Wait for a while. Yes, it's area related to circles. It's a problem sum. You can also take from your textbook or your reference book. And then here comes the chapter probability, chapter number 15. It's the cover page of chapter number 15. Introduction to probability. it is the concept 1, tossing of coins, and it is concept 2, rolling of a dice. As you can see, I have added a question. Now concept number 3, picking of a playing card. And then I have taken the example of the same concept, the card concept. Now this portfolio is now completed. So guys, previously I have said that it is on the topic based on the term 1 syllabus of maths class 10th 2021 to 2022, and hope you like it. If you like it, you can also make like this, and if you find it useful, please give a like to my channel and to my video, and don't forget to comment. And I will also upload the scanned copy of my maths portfolio below the description, so you can also check it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.